but after I had a quite good pace, and I was a little bit faster compared to Dovi and Marquez, so I think that I can do. When I go in front, I did some good lap, but already Jorge was too far, and anyway he had a better pace. He was stronger, but I'm so happy because it was a difficult weekend, and these 20 points are very important for the championship.
It's because at the end of the race I was very strong, and I could win probably the race with quite a big margin, but with this problem of the spinning I couldn't do more, and I had to slow down and finish the race.
When Rossi was 7-8 seconds, I could breathe a little bit more, but not too much because I wanted to keep a high pace, not to lose the concentration. So perfect day, no? Especially for the championship, no? Yeah, leading the championship with these 5 points of advantage. Now it comes Mugello, a track that I love. Probably is my favorite track, where I could just take the profit of all my qualities, my strong points.
From the third row, from the 7th place, and you arrive second is always great. It's always a good race, and especially because today these 20 points are so important for the championship, because we are able to close the gap with the top that changed from Marquez to Lorenzo. Today was a bit more difficult. So I try to stay concentrated, to ride well. Anyway, my bike was well balanced, so I can recover on Marquez and Dovizioso, and I think that the good idea was try to overtake as soon as possible and go in front. And I did some good laps, and after Marquez and Dovi make the mistake, so I was able to have a little bit more relaxed second part of the race.
Because Danny was closing the gap, but at the end I was not pushing on the limit. No, I was just trying to have the situation under control and give this third to Suzuki. I was thinking a lot on Argentina race, and for sure I was trying to don't make the same mistake. Oh, sure, the decision gonna be really difficult, but every day I'm more clear, and finally as soon as possible I will make